Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get out of tier 10 on Merch by Amazon. If it's your first time, my name is Oliver. I'm a Merch by Amazon seller at tier 10,000. The tips and tricks that I'm gonna show you are not in a particular order, but according to me, the first one is the most important. And this first one is you have to always check for trademark and follow the Merch by Amazon rule. You just started on Merch by Amazon, and Amazon can be very hard on your account if you don't follow the rule, if you don't always check for trademarks. The next point is you have to follow the trends, events, or celebration. These are the top holidays. You have to design for these holidays. You have to follow the trend. It's not always holidays, sometimes it's holidays, but you have to follow. For example, I remember the trend that was on the eclipse, lunar eclipse. People make thousands of dollars per day. So it's important to always watch the news, etc., in order to follow the trends. The next point is you have to upload from 1 to 3 months before the event. You are not alone on this market, so you have to try to be the best, to try to be the first. Because you are not alone on this market, you have to try to be the first to jump on a trend or an event. The next item is that you have to search for keyword with less competition. And what does it mean? If I go to Amazon and type firefighter t-shirt, I find 3,000 results. But if I type firefighter paramedic, but if I type firefighter paramedic t-shirt, I have 266 results. So the competition that you're gonna design for must be low. You have to find keywords with less competition. The next item is that you have to include the less competition keywords in the title and in the brand. It is important to write them in the title and in the brand. The next item is that the keyword that you found must be auto-completed by Amazon. And what does it mean? When I start to type firefighter paramedic, I can see that Amazon is auto-completing my search. So it is very important that the keyword that you're gonna enter in your title and your brand must be auto-completed by Amazon. Our next point is that you have to use relevant keyword related to your listing. What does it mean? If my design is about a funny cat t-shirt, I must not write in the listing that people who like funny animal coat. Because even if the cat is an animal, it's too broad, it's too generic. And when you start on Merch by Amazon, you have to focus on the item. If you write animal, Amazon will show your design to people that like animal, but maybe they like other kind of animal, not necessarily cat. So you are broadening your audience. It's better to stay focused according to your design. Our next point is that you must not repeat keywords in the title and in the brand. The title is about 60 characters and the brand is about 50. So for example, if you write in your title funny Christmas, in your brand you can enter hilarious Xmas. If I go to Amazon and type hilarious Xmas, we can see that it's auto-completed and we have item, people are typing it. okay, as well as, of course, funny Christmas. Okay, it is very important that you do not repeat keyword in the title and in the brand. Our next point is that if you come up with your own code and this code is not auto-completed on Amazon, you must include this code in the bullet point, not in the title, not in the brand, because again, it's not auto-completed. So we want only in the title and in the brand items, keywords that are auto-completed. So enter your own code in the bullet point. Now, of course, if the code is auto-completed by Amazon, you can include it in the title. And our last point is that you have to give people quality design and eye-catching design. What does it mean? When people are browsing through Amazon, your design must stand out the competition so that as soon as their eyes is on your item, is on your t-shirt, automatically they are interested to pause, read the code if there is any, and then buy it eventually. If you want me to insist in a certain point, please let me know in the comments which one you want me to dig into, and I'll do it in a future video. Thank you very much. If you find any value on this video, please consider like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any further video.